That includes how that first complaint was handled and if other alleged sexual assaults could have been prevented. The first report of nurse John Tam sexually assaulting a child dates back to 2022, when he was a nurse at Boston Children's Hospital. But the Suffolk County DA's office didn't find out about that until a second child reported being assaulted at the hospital last year.
The first question I came up with was this ever reported, as it should be under the law, to the Department of Children and Families?
Executive Director of the organization Enough Abuse, Jetta Bernier, says it's DCF's role to conduct formal investigations into any suspected cases of child sexual abuse. It's the mandated reporter's job to report it.
Whether it's a hospital or a school, it's not their job to investigate, to determine whether it's credible enough to then make a final report.
Children's Hospital says they investigated the complaint but couldn't substantiate it. They did not respond to our requests about whether it was reported to DCF, police, or another agency. DCF wouldn't comment either. Bernier also has questions about the other case in Middlesex County, where an adult patient reported being sexually assaulted by Tam in 2023. But a criminal complaint wasn't issued for 2 years.
So my question is, what kind of an investigation did the police conduct?
The Middlesex County DA says it asked a clerk magistrate to charge Tam in September 2024, but the clerk didn't issue the charges until October 2025. Bernier says the larger question is, why wasn't more done when the first complaint involving a child was made?
If this had been dealt with adequately in the very beginning, when this behavior was first recorded, recognized, we would have prevented a lot of grief on the part of the kid, his family, and the very institutions that are supposed to be protecting this child.
Tam has pleaded not guilty to all of the charges. In the newsroom, Karen Anderson, 5 Investigates.